Welcome back to another episode of the Grow Your Daycare podcast. Today we're going to be focusing on how to use Instagram to grow your program, how to use it to promote properly, to make sure that you are showing up and that you're using this platform in 2025 in a way that's actually going to help you increase your online reach and obviously get more families to notice and enroll in your program, okay? So in 2025, Instagram continues to evolve. They're always coming up with brand new features and trends and fun things to try out, okay? So my goal here is to give you some tactics you can try that are going to help you and not keep you on the platform scrolling for hours and really just forgetting why you showed up there in the first place, okay? Because I know that happens to a lot of people. So let's talk a little bit about your profile itself, okay? So I want you to make sure that you have upgraded your Instagram business profile, because a lot of you are still advertising your daycares using your personal IGs, okay? So it's really easy. You just go to settings and you switch to a professional account. You select business and then you optimize your profile and you add clear information, making sure when the people land on your on this actual IG profile that they understand that this is a business account, okay? This is going to help you. It's going to make you look more professional, and it's actually going to help you reach more local followers, especially if you're investing in ads. This is going to help you, and it's a must if you're investing in ads, okay? So make sure that you are running your IG as a professional account and that you have added all the right information in all the right places, okay? You also want to make sure that you link it to your website so that people can click and follow you over on your website or your blog. Let's say you have a booking page or a book a tour with us right now page. Link that as well. It's really important that we make the job of those that are following us as simple and as quick as possible, because again, we know that people have really low attention spans, so we want to spoon feed them all this content and all this information so that they can click and get in contact with us, okay? The other thing I want you to think about when you're thinking of Instagram in 2025 and going forward is really just leveraging what works on the platform. So this platform is extremely visual. So make sure that things that you're posting are visually appealing. But more importantly, they favor short form content. So those are the reels, IG stories, things that people love kind of scrolling when they're on their device. So think about that and think about how you can incorporate that in your content strategy, okay? So you can think about, let's say, recording a reel and asking local families to answer a simple question. You can create a short reel and share some practical tips, or talk a little bit about why you started your business, or share a fun activity you did that day, right? Maybe you want to highlight your staff. They did something really cool and you want to kind of highlight them. Maybe you want to engage with local families, again, polling them and asking them a simple question to answer, okay? So these are all just a few ideas. You don't have to be doing reels where you're kind of pointing and you're singing and, all those reels that we like to look at that, professional Instagrammers or influencers are recording. You don't have to do that if that's not you. But you can use it in a way where you're actually growing your online reach and you're getting in front of local eyeballs, and you're actually using it in a way that's working for you, okay? So again, keep it short, keep it authentic. Don't overthink this. Don't spend hours, editing your information. Use one of those filters that they have. And really, again, think about something that a mom and dad would want to learn about or would want to see. And then just create a piece of content and in terms of like a short reel that you can repurpose and, on Facebook and on Instagram as well. Now, number 3, I want you to do take some time to search what type of hashtags local families are using, okay? So some hashtag ideas, you can hashtag the name of your city. What I like doing is, hashtag daycare and then, the name of the city. So hashtag daycare Montreal, for example. If you're Montessori, you could do the same thing. Hashtag Montessori, New York City, whatever, right? You can hashtag things like family daycare near me, hashtag moms of Montreal, right? So things that local families are hashtagging when they are on Instagram, okay? Number 4, I want you to think about running targeted Instagram ads. Again, take one of those videos you recorded. Maybe it's a really cool video you did of a walkthrough. Maybe it was like 30 seconds long. There was a nice, upbeat music in the background, and you're kind of walking someone through what your in-home looks like, for example, right? You can actually go inside your ad, your Instagram account, and invest in a couple of dollars a day to get this reel, for example, seen by local families that you target inside your ad account. Okay, very simple, very easy to do. And you can always, for example, focus on parents that live like a 10 to 20 mile radius, target those that are, let's say, interested in daycare or Montessori if you're running Montessori. And then just don't forget to include a strong call to action. So what do you want them to do after they were targeted with your ad? Do you want them to click to book a tour, to book a free consultation? Maybe you want them to apply to enroll in your program. Maybe you want them to claim a discount, right? Whatever that is, make sure that you are telling them what to do. And again, you can start Instagram ads for as little as a couple of dollars a day, okay? And what I like is that you can actually target really well using like the mile radius inside your ads manager to get in front of more local eyeballs, okay? Number 5, I want you to think about local influencers or mini influencers, micro influencers if you have them, and think about ways you can reach out to them and ask them to, for example, feature you on their platform, and you would do the same for them. Okay, so one of my clients actually did this. There is she's Armenian, and there's a huge Armenian community where she's from. So she reached out to them and told them that she's just starting a home daycare. She is bilingual. She's going to be teaching the kids all sorts of fun things. And she asked them if they can do kind of like a referral thing where they would post her a short reel recreated for her on their platform. And then she would do the same for them on her IG account as well. Okay, so think about different people or different businesses or bloggers that you can partner up with to really increase your visibility. Okay, you also want to think about maybe locally, maybe you have like a sports center or an arena or a place that there's a lot of families that hang around, right? So again, reach out to them and ask them if they would be willing to create some type of partnership. Again, the hopes of just getting more eyeballs on your platform, okay? Number 6, showcasing reviews and testimonials. Now on IG, what I like is that you can kind of speed up the process of getting the person that's on your page to find what they're looking for. Versus like YouTube, versus like a Facebook business page, they have to kind of scroll down to find it. On IG, you can create a link tree. You can set up your highlights. So one of them could be showcasing reviews and testimonial. The other one can be follow you on Facebook. The other one can be book a visit right now, right? So you can do a lot of different things. But I want you to think about creating one of those little highlights where a place where you can upload all your testimonials and reviews, okay? Maybe you can use a screenshot or, I don't know, a screenshot of a quote or a text, or maybe you want to go on Canva and make it look a little bit more professional. In any case, it's just a great way for you to have this easily accessible. Again, because people don't want to really do the work to find what they're looking for. So you can do this by, again, creating those little IG highlights and then just uploading all your testimonials on there, okay? Number 7, engaging with your audience. Now, obviously, Instagram is a great place for you to be engaging. Social media, that's what it's about, right? People don't go on social media to buy stuff. They go on social media to engage, to watch videos, to see what their friends are up to. So it's a great way for you to kind of get in the habit of posting engaging content or engaging videos, and getting people to kind of comment underneath, giving you their 2 cents, their point of view, and really just encouraging them to do that, asking them to send you a DM or to comment underneath with a question. These are all great ways that you can leverage Instagram in 2025 so that you can get the most out of this platform. So one quick note, I don't want you to spend too much time again creating pieces of content, getting all stressed out that you have to look perfect to record an IG reel. I just want you to use this as a way of educating local families, getting them to notice you, and then getting that conversation started with them, right? Whether that's on your website, whether that's through email, or even in your DMs, okay? So I really want you to think about that, and not waste too much time on these platforms, okay? So once you post, let's say something, don't go back every 2 minutes to see if people watched it. It doesn't make any sense, okay? Use it in a way that's actually going to work for you. And especially if you are investing in ads, you don't need to be on Facebook or Instagram every single day posting and recording and doing all the things, because you've already paid the platform to show your content to a target audience, okay? So I hope that this helped. I hope that this helped you leverage Instagram in a better way going forward in 2025. If you do need help with your marketing, I want you to check out the links in the show notes. We actually started a school community where we give our basic members a complete social media content strategy that they can leverage. So if you're someone that really doesn't know what to post about every single day on Facebook and Instagram, we have some social media trainings, and we have a complete content strategy that we give you access to. We do this every single month. So if you want to get access to that, I will put the links in the show notes. Make sure you check that out. Other than that, have an amazing rest of your day. I hope that this blesses you and your business, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.